Happy 7th birthday! Hi, Ate Ice! Happy 7th birthday to our princess! Our only princess! Wishing you a year filled of so much joy, laughter, and amazing adventure! Yay! More birthdays to come, Ate Ice! We love you and we miss you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ice! Wishing you all the best in life. Continue being a good girl to your mama and papay. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Ice. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in your birthday and God bless you always. Ipiuno na lang ang gift ni Ninang Pohon pag makaulit si Ninang. Bye!
Happy birthday, baby Ice. I hope you are happy today as you celebrate your 7th birthday in this world. I wish you good health, more blessings to you and to your family, more birthdays to come. I hope and pray that you will grow as a good girl and as a good daughter to your mom and dad and to your siblings. And also, I pray that you will be a God-fearing person. I wish you all the best in life. Happy birthday and God bless, baby Ice. I hope to see you soon, all guys. From New York City with love. Love lots, Nining Gio.
Happy birthday, baby Ice. May your day be filled with laughter, delicious cake, and magical moments with your loved one. Love ka ni Ninang. And I have a special guest.
Joyeux anniversaire and kumain ng maraming pogsisik.
Haram. Love you. Hi, Lopez family.
Hi Ice, happy birthday. You're 7 now, such a beautiful age. Wishing the beautiful princess in the kingdom a magical day and keep shining like a star and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ice. This is your Ninang Yuri. Ninang. So, happy birthday. You're very beautiful, you're smart, you're kind, you look like your mom. And I hope you enjoy your day. And I hope also to meet you soon. Enjoy your day. Bye. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi Ice, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo is of course good health and sana matupad mo lahat ng dreams and wish mo. Pasensya na hindi nakarating si Namnam and si Kuya Nate. Unfortunately si Kuya Nate mo may makeup classes. Ayun, and lagi ka sanang makinig sa mama at papa mo as well as sa mga lola at lola and also sa mga titos and titas mo. Kung ano yung bilid na sa'yo, that's for your own good and of course be a good ate. Alagaan mo yung mga little brothers mo. And again, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and I'll see you soon. Love you, Nak.
See you soon. Love you.
Hello, Ice! This is Tita Bing. Happy birthday! Enjoy and have fun. I see you when I get home.